Yo, what's good, guys? It's your boy Polo saying we finally back with another video. I'm sorry, yes. That is how to service a Polo Vivo. Ta-da! We have a problem, but we gonna still do what we have to do, no matter what. Because problems, we will always want peace, no problems. So, anyways, without further ado, in today's video, you also it's basically part one of doing a service. I wanted to let you guys know that it's not a one part and a two part series, because I know some of you guys look for things and look for how to do the things. You'll find these things, it's just in different segments of the video. I'll try and find out how to segment the tires or whatever you guys call it, how to put like each part of what I'm doing in segments, so you can just scroll to that part and look for what you're looking for. So this is a full service on how to do a full service on a Polo Vivo Street from 2010 up until the latest Polo Vivo, I suppose. That is how to service a Polo Vivo Street. How to service a Polo. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Away. Yeah, and I forgot, please do me a favor. Please drop a like, comment, and subscribe. So, it's the spark plugs. Yes, the engine bay, she dirty.
Absolutely disgusting, by the way. I almost puked, but let me stay focused.
Spark plugs, this is called coil packs. Air filter. What you're gonna need for the air filter? Star screwdriver. So, let us go and find it. Oh, fancy! Wow! You can really dance. So let us put us there. Here is the air filter. This is to filterize the air. Sure, that's some fancy shit. Golf was never like this. Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1? I think I am, B2. Let us hear something.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1? I think I am. B2?
Let us hear something fast, quick, real quick. Just no one to rev. So yeah, one thing about Polos, they have like a rev limiter where you can't rev them above, I think it's 4,000 or 5,000 RPMs. But that's all we wanted to hear basically. So out of the old, in with the new. Go, what are you doing? Bruh, they give you, I forgot, these people don't give you water. Shame, I gonna give you water, okay? So, this is the choice. Please, I'm gonna knock you out, you. Are you crazy? Move here. I'm
recording.
So, new air filter. Brand new. See how clean this thing is. It's clean, except. So clean, bro. So clean. And then, I think it would be best to clean this thing out now. But yeah, there we go. Oh, get inside now. What is wrong? There we go. New air filter in. I like doing this. Bum. snap, crackle, and pop. We make a Vivo Polo Vivo Street. Make pops and things. So then we basically put that like so. Make a screws. Oh, this engine is hot. I hope you can see what I'm doing. So yeah, basically the same places you'll take the screws out, you'll put the screws back. It's like self-explanatory, you understand what I'm saying? It's not rocket science, bro. It's not rocket science, eh? And then you fasten the screws with the screwdriver. I don't know if all Polos come with these with screws. I assume they do. If not, do what obviously whatever you're gonna have to do to loosen and tighten your air filter box to secure your air filter. I think some of them might have like clips. But let me start shutting up. Cue the background music. Alright, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. Feita Stasson Lane. Yeah, I watched a YouTube video now on how to remove the spark plugs. I feel dumb. But it's my first time, okay? It's fine. I'm learning, and so are you. I'm sure you also never knew how to service a Polo. But nonetheless, yeah, I know how to remove it now, so cue the montage. Cue the next clip of me removing the spark plugs. So, got 16 plug socket. What? 16 tube socket. Extension and just ratchets. So yeah, then you loosen. Sis, look at this. Sis, actually this thing is hot. Brand new set from the place that I bought it from. It's RF Volkswagen and Seat. This is what it's supposed to look like. Very nice. Where's the things now? Not too tight because you don't want to strip them inside the head, nah? And not too loose. seal it when we see it. This is how we get my mother quickly fast. Actually, give us the word of the day, brah.
I had something. If it ain't for you, it's not for you.
So yeah, let us now finish here, guys. We got a new spark plug in. Just yeah, here's another uncle we're gonna ask for the word of the day. Yeah, chai son. Fortschritters man. I Erika out there for the vlog. Erika out for the vlog. Bro. Did you? Oh, dankie. Mensen, yeah. So I've decided to make a plan. Reverse the car on a pavement at a slanted angle. Drain the oil. Put the oil in because it needs to be done. So let us do that, okay? I'm gonna reverse the car outside. And hopefully it's gonna work. So let me just reverse the car and we're gonna see now what's going on. So here is the oil filter. We're gonna change this thing now. So now basically what you would like to do, you would open the oil filter like so. Take a little bit of your 10W40 full synthetic helix oil, Shell helix HX7. Fill your oil filter now. Put a little bit of oil. Yeah, lubricate the rubber. Put some oil in the oil filter. And then you go ahead and you can place your oil filter on. There's the oil filter, it's on tight. Must just wipe it down. Got a little bit of oil around it. See there? Bosch oil filter. Yo, I don't like pouring oil. I always mess. Always, without a fail. So yeah, Mensa, service is partly done. I just have to change the petrol filter. Oil is done, spark plugs is done, air filter is done. Oil filter is done. The only things that I need to do now, which I'm gonna do the weekend, is the petrol filter and maybe the cabin filter. Because the petrol filter I'm not familiar with those things. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe. It's your boy Polo signing off. Peace. Thank you.